In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tail lights on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the tail of the vehicle. Let's get started. Pull back on the locking tab for the tail light. Push on the button, pull straight back and remove the connector. Remove the 5 plastic stays. We're going to open them. You pull up on this tab in the back, and then it'll open. Remove the harness from it. Continue down doing the next 3. We're going to pull the harness over. This is our last one. Pull the harness up and over. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the tail light. Pull straight out on the tail light. Pull the harness through the bed and remove the old taillight assembly. Install the harness down behind the bed. Line up these 2 pins, the holes on the side. Push it straight into place. Get the screws started for the tail light. Snug the screws down. Route the harness through the back. Install the harness into the plastic stay and lock it down. Push it into place, it'll lock in. Do the same thing across the whole back. Continue putting the harness into the plastic stay across the whole back, making sure you lock the harness down into it. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and then close that safety tab.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.